Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for easy learning videos. So let's now wasting time, let's move to our next question. Our next question is question number 3. Our question number 3 is by what smallest number must we 180 be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect square? Also find the square root of number so obtained. This question is exactly same like our question number 2. So now we can move to question number 4. Our question number 4 is find the smallest number by which 3645 must be divided so that it becomes a perfect square, and also find the square root of the resulting number. In this question, we are asked to find the smallest number by which 3645 to be divided so that we get a perfect square. This is the first part, and our second part is we have to find the square root of the resulting number. So we can solve this question by the prime factorization method. Here we do the prime factorization of 3645. Here this last one digit is a odd number, so it is not divisible by our first prime number, that is 2. Move to the next, that is 3. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15 plus 3 18. Sum of these is equal to 18, divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Here last digit is our 5, and 5 is divisible by 5. 5 plus 4 9. This is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. And 5 is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. Here 1 is our remainder. Now the prime factorization of 3645 is equal to 3645 is equal to, here I write all these terms, 3 multiply by 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 3 and multiply by 5. 3 multiply by 3, here 2 digits are here, this form a pair, this also form a pair, this also form a pair, but here 5 is alone, it does not form pair here. So here we can divide 3645 by 5. 3645 divided by 5 is equal to 5 sevens are 35, 1 here, 7 twos are 5 twos are 10, and 5 nines are 45 is equal to 729. Now our next part is also find the square root of the resulting number. This is the solution of a first part. Now we can calculate the square root of this number. (729) is equal to 3 multiply by 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 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These terms, these digits all form pairs here. So from here I can write from pair only one digit. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is our answer. Hence 27 is the square root of 729.